Tangkhul Beads by Pamchuiwon Kashak is a culturally rooted artisan brand that celebrates the timeless elegance of Tangkhul Naga heritage through handcrafted beaded jewelry and accessories. Founded by Pamchuiwon Kashak, a passionate craftswoman and cultural advocate, the brand brings tradition to life one bead at a time. Hailing from Jingsui village, Ukrul district, Manipur, born as the second of 11 siblings, she grew up in a poor family where daily survival was a struggle. Pamchuiwon's journey is one of courage and creativity. With a master's degree in mass communication and years of work or field experience, both in government and private sector, her path took a transformative turn. Self-taught and determined, she began crafting traditional Tangkhul accessories, first for herself, then for her family and friends. The demand and appreciation for her work led her to launch her own brand, Tangkhul Beads by Pamchuiwon Kashak. Her first public showcase during the Shuri Lily Festival 2019 was a resounding success, receiving praise from locals and visitors alike. For years, she operated from her bedroom that doubled as a workshop. After much perseverance and dedication, her dream of having a proper studio and showroom came true. On 29 October 2024, the Tangkhul Beads showroom was finally opened at Ukrul town, a space that now serves both as a creative studio and a place for people to connect with Tangkhul artistry, marking a major milestone in the journey. Joined by her sisters, Miss Mashunpi Kashak and Mrs. Soraila Kashak, Tangkhul Beads is more than a brand. It's a mission to preserve, promote, and celebrate the rich cultural heritage of the Tangkhul Naga community. In 2020, she married Yerihor Hungyo. The couple's indigenous theme wedding, which featured handmade jewelry and traditional attire, became a significant milestone in Pamchuiwon's business, inspiring other couples to embrace their cultural roots on their wedding day.
Holy wedding with the traditional attires is indigenous traditional salak kahai itumachu tamkhoi sukhoi kapai ekhoina westernized taukibat natana madudigi change for change amoina ngasi indigenous ekhoigi iramdamda horiba leiriba ekhoigi.
She's a woman who wants to give utmost respect to Tangkhul culture and tradition. She nourishes, nurtures, and promotes culture. As such, she initiated and started a project by her name Pamchuiwon Kashak.
She proudly speaks of the beauty and value of traditional Tangkhul attire and accessories, which are often expensive and hard to find. At Tangkhul Beads, our mission is to revive, preserve, and promote the cultural identity of the Tangkhul Naga community through beautiful, affordable, and thoughtfully modernized traditional beadwork. We strive to design and produce high-quality traditional accessories that are accessible and relevant to today's fashion landscape. Our vision is to seamlessly fuse tradition with post-modern fashion, making cultural expression a part of everyday life rather than something reserved for rare occasions. Through our work, we aim to inspire pride in our roots, encourage daily wear of cultural attire, and cultivate a deeper appreciation for indigenous craftsmanship. By supporting and promoting handmade artistry, we are also committed to empowering local artisans and fostering self-employment within our community. At Tangkhul Beads, we believe our cultural expressions are treasures that deserve to be seen, worn, and celebrated every day, not just on rare festive occasions. Each piece we create is a tribute to the rich heritage of our people and a step toward sustainable, self-driven artistry. Her story reflects the grit and grace of many women who build dreams from humble beginnings. Every bead is threaded with love, faith, and the hope that her culture will inspire others. Folk songs are as integral to our culture as our dresses and beads. While crafting, we often sing and reflect on our roots, expressing not just art but identity through music. We share this musical spirit on our social media platforms under the name Tangkhul Beats, including YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, where we feature our own renditions of traditional folk songs.
Singgung Phung Raya Sampai Rong Singgung Phung Raya Sampai Rong.
We bagged the first prize in the folk song competition held during the state-level Shiri Lily Festival 2025, blending our cultural craftsmanship with the music that inspires it. We then went on to represent the state of Manipur at the National Tribal Music Festival 2025, Rasong, which was held at Shillong on the 26th and 27th June 2025. Join our journey. Wearing Tangkhul beads by Pamchuiwon Kashak means supporting handmade local crafts and celebrating the unique identity of the Tangkhul Naga. Discover the beauty where our culture shares the story.